Hey lovelies, welcome back to the Global Fashion Workshop. I remind you that we post new videos every Monday, Wednesday and Friday. In today's episode of the review, we will talk about this sundress with unusual grooves. I will show you the finished product on the table. In this issue, we will show you a detailed review of the red linen barrel sundress. This model of a sundress is the perfect embodiment of lightness, freedom and elegance. The armhole and the neck of the product are processed with one edging, and the undercuts are interesting because it is gracefully connected with darts. The bottom of the sundress has a curly cut and is finished with white piping. What is the secret of this sundress? Why it's different from other ones? It has a secret pocket in the side seam. And this is simply an irreplaceable detail for a summer vacation. In this video I will show you all the design and technological solutions, so please watch carefully. I really like this style of dress. I especially like these interesting recesses. In this place under the breast, clean up the grooves. A loose dress, pockets, very comfortable. I can go to the sea, put my keys and phone in my pocket, nothing will be lost. It also can be closed. It is very comfortable. Lovely pocket, but it is only on one side. I won't wear this dress in the city, of course. It's only for the beach. It can even be worn on a wet swimsuit. A barrel dress is a loose dress. The perfect dress for relaxation. Everything breathes and your skin feels free. Now I will show the groove on the table. I have these flip-flops with real corals. These are real corals and I have already shown them to you. And here is my linen sundress. And now all the attention on the table. The groove goes like a dart. The overlock is overlocked until the cut. And then it ends like a groove. First we sew this groove. And then this groove. The figured neckline is processed and duplicated with such a wide facing. See how it looks from the side. Initially, I thought that the video will not only be about this sundress, but also there will be a lecture on viscose pants and tunic. But now, presenting them in my head, I do not want to talk about them. It is much better to buy a piece of linen and come to the beach wearing a sundress you made for yourself. Now let's talk about the pocket. It opens with a hidden zipper. Pockets closed with a hidden zipper have been made for a long time. Seam pocket. Look carefully. See how many details are in such small and simple sundress. Don't be lazy, and if you have plans to go to the sea, then buy a piece of linen fabric and sew your own sundress. Be different and beautiful. Subscribe to my channel, write comments, share the videos, press the like and bell buttons. We would really appreciate your support. Don't forget to follow us on our Instagram platform. The link will be down below. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you in our next one. Bye!